What happens if expert witnesses disagree in court? In recent court cases, the question of what happens when expert witnesses disagree has become increasingly relevant. This topic is gaining attention as more personal injury cases relying on expert testimony. Viewers may be curious about how these disagreements affect the outcome of a trial. When expert witnesses present conflicting opinions in court, it is up to the judge or jury to evaluate which testimony holds more weight. The court assesses the credibility of each expert's opinion based on several factors. These factors include the expert's qualifications, the methods they used, and the facts they relied upon. If experts disagree, the court may choose not to hear all of them in person if their written opinions are already submitted. However, the court can still call witnesses it deems necessary to clarify any disputed issues. Sometimes, the court appoints a neutral expert to address key questions, especially if the disagreement is central to the case. The judge or jury will weigh the credibility of the experts based on their reasoning and how well their testimony aligns with the case facts. This process involves examining the basis of their opinions. For instance, if an expert conducted a proper investigation or followed applicable standards, their testimony is more likely to be accepted. In personal injury cases, if an expert lacks proper qualifications or did not conduct an adequate investigation, their opinion may be excluded. This careful evaluation does not automatically weaken a party's case. Instead, it requires the fact finder to determine which expert's testimony is more persuasive and supported by evidence. Ultimately, the decision rests with the judge or jury, who must resolve these conflicts as part of their responsibility in determining liability and damages. The outcome can significantly influence the direction of personal injury litigation. Understanding how disagreements among expert witnesses are handled can provide clarity for those involved in such cases.